Hi boys and girls, my name is Mr. K, and today I'm going to explain to you how to complete the Hero Research Project that your teacher just shared with you. So, there's 4 phases. In the first phase, you're going to define what a hero is to you. So, brainstorm some words that describe a hero, and then you're going to write 1 to 2 paragraphs about your definition. So anytime you see a blue shaded in area, you put your cursor there and begin typing spots. And this is what you're going to share with your teacher when you're done. The second phase is recognizing a famous hero. So this is someone who is famous not only for their talent, but for ways that they help their community. So brainstorm some different ideas, athletes, entertainers, anybody who is known publicly. You're going to choose a person and you're going to do some research. So it's just some basic information, and then what makes that person famous, and more importantly, what makes that person a hero. Then I encourage you to use 2 different resources to do your research. Then you're going to type up a paragraph about what you found out about that person, who they are, what makes them famous, and then describe what they've done in their community to help out. That makes them a hero. The third phase is you're going to identify an everyday hero. So that's somebody in your life that you know that you consider a hero. Now, it might be a relative, it might be a neighbor who they might be in the military, or a first responder, or a healthcare worker, policeman, fireman, teacher, someone in your life who you consider a hero. Now, if your hero that you identify is already deceased, then try to find somebody who knows them, because you are going to have to do an interview to find out more about that person. So once you identify your everyday hero, you're going to set up a time to interview them. You're going to ask these basic questions, and then really talk to them about what you think makes them a hero. And so this is a great opportunity to get to know them a little bit better. Once you do that, then write up a paragraph, 1 to 2 paragraphs, describing your interview, what you learned about them, and why you feel that they are a hero. The last part is a presentation. Now, this might be a Google Slides presentation, it might be a video recording or written report, some sort of art project, music project, oral report, just something that allows you to demonstrate what you learned through this project. So your teacher will give you more details about that. When you complete all the phases, do this self-evaluation. So here are some questions, and you're going to type in either yes or no. So if you did it, you might put an X there. If you're like, oh, maybe I didn't do that. So be honest. And then you're going to give yourself a score, 1 through 4, for your content, your conventions, and your presentation. Now, I share a couple examples with you here. So your teachers will share these with you. So this is a video presentation that I created. So you can take a look at that if you're interested. And then here is my paragraphs that I wrote up. So that's my what a hero is. This is my research that I did on my famous person. I chose Booker T. Washington. And this is the research that I did. And here's my paragraph. Then finally, I did a interview with my friend Nathan. And this is some information about him in my Everyday Hero written report. So not only is there a video example, but there's also a Google Slides presentation that you can take a look at, or that your teacher will share with you. So if you have any questions, go ahead and contact your teacher. I hope you enjoy this project, and I hope you have a great rest of your school year. Good luck and finish strong.